Chestnut tree, first day, brand new world, just me. Tiny hut, dirt floor, you'll see. Wooden pick, I'm diving deep. Going down, going down. Stone and coal, torches in my offhand glow. Iron veins that drip like gold, lava close, but I still go. One more block, one more block. One more. I mind that or till my pick can swing anymore. Fill my chest and I go explore. 'Cause we're living this life, block by block by block. I stack these walls so high, got a roof that cuts the sky. Redstone rails and a chicken line. Yeah, we're living this life, block by block by block. Flat green field, market out with logs and beams. Cobble frame, glass pane, windows gleam. Door goes on, I'm living the dream. Yeah, moving, moving, moving. Fence that yard, wheat rows running long and far. Lanterns keep away the dark, dog outside. He guards the farm. Good boy, I mind that or till my pick can swing anymore. Fill my chest and I go explore. 'Cause we're living this life, block by block by block. I stack these walls so high, got a roof that cuts the sky. Redstone rails and a chicken line. Yeah, we're living this life, block by block by block. Chest full of eggs, I'm a mastermind. Hoppers click, click, turning gears in my mind. Water stream, pushing every little cluck in a line. Baby birds pop out, then they grow in time.